Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the door handle set in a GE refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new door handle set. The door handle set consists of a pair of door handles. The main reason to replace the door handle is if it breaks and won't stay in place. To remove the door handle, we need to open the door. Next, I'm going to use a Phillips screwdriver, and I'm going to take out the steel screws. Now I'm going to yank on the door handle and lift it up. At this point, I would like to close the refrigerator door and open the freezer door. The same way as we did the refrigerator door. And we're going to dive under, and using a Phillips screwdriver, we're going to take 2 Phillips screws out. Now we're going to pull down on the handle to disengage the lock in this area, and we can remove the handle. This is the old door handle set next to the new one. If you don't have these parts, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Both door handles are totally identical, so we're going to install the freezer door handle, and the fresh food is installed the same way, only upside down. So we're going to mount this cutout over this screw here. We're going to insert it into this larger opening, and then we're going to push it up. We're going to align the holes and secure the door handle with this beautiful Phillips screw. And the second one, and now we can close the door. Now I'm going to open the fresh food door, and I'm going to install the second door handle. Same way, as you can see here, we've got the cutout and the screw on the door. We're going to place this opening at the bottom of the screw, and now we're going to press the handle down. Next, I'm going to align the holes here and secure the door handle with a couple of Phillips screws. I'm going to tighten it with a Phillips screwdriver. Now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.